The Kajatran stands at the crossroads of two eras, the precision-driven engineering of the mid-19th century and the invisible transistor logic of the modern desktop. Its form is unmistakably Victorian. A mahogany enclosure, hand-carved with filigreed brass inlays, houses a lattice of exposed gears ranging from 12-tooth pinions to massive 18-inch iron flywheels. The front panel is a tableau of analog dials, brass switches, and a glass-covered typewriter-style keyboard whose keys are hinged on miniature levers. Each key press releases a cascade of microgears that physically encode a binary pulse, a clear homage to Babbage's punch card logic but recast for contemporary data streams. Functionally, the Cogitron translates tactile input into binary via a series of gear-driven cams. When a key is struck, a cam rotates a shaft that snaps a brass tooth into position, closing an electrical contact within a copper-clad circuit board hidden behind the brass facade. The resulting on-off state propagates through a cascade of interlocking gears, each representing a single bit of a word. The collective motion drives a rotary storage drum, akin to a mechanical hard drive, where magnetic tape ribbons are spooled. A miniature steam turbine, powered by a compact boiler, supplies the requisite rotational energy, while a pressure-regulating valve keeps the system at a steady 12 psi. Internally, a series of relays and vacuum tubes, encased in polished brass casings, execute logical operations, allowing the machine to run a stripped-down version of a Unix-like OS displayed on a copper phosphor screen. Aesthetically, the Kajatran is a romance of brass, wood, and steam. Its surface is deliberately patinated, with copper burnished to a deep verdigris, while brass components catch the light in a warm glow. The machine's silhouette, tall, rectangular, crowned with a copper dome, conjures the grandeur of a locomotive boiler room. Illuminated by hidden amber gas lamps, the device feels both a timeless artifact and a living, breathing computer. In an imagined world, Cogitrons populate the libraries of neo-Victorian scholars, humming softly as they calculate forecasts, render steam-driven graphics, and connect to an ether-based network that mirrors the modern internet. The Cogitron reminds us that the boundary between art and engineering is porous. By re-gearing a modern function through Victorian design, we glimpse a plausible alternate technological lineage.